Hi guys, this is Irfan from ThriveSurf. In this tutorial we will see how to reverse a number or an integer. Say my number is 1 2 3 4 5. So the reverse of these numbers would be 5 4 3 2 1. How can we implement this? I have implemented here. Close for now. How can we implement? The idea behind is that we will use modular operator and divide operator. Two operators we will use in this basically mainly. First initialize reverse during initial time by 0 and remainder while we divide some number, so we get remainder. In Hindi we say शेष remaining, or if we will जो बच जाता है, I mean after division जो बच जाता है. Suppose we are dividing this by 2. What we need remain? What will remaining? 1. So that is remainder. So we are initializing by 0. We will use in this modular operator. What modular operator does? It gives output as a remainder. Suppose we are dividing this number by 2. What remainder should get? 1. 2 1, it will go in 6 times, 1 times, remaining 1. 1 and 4 14 goes in 7 times, and 5 it will goes 2 times and remaining 1. Suppose we are modular, we are using 10 instead of 2. So what should be remainder? This will go 1 times, remaining 2. This is 23. This will go in 2 times. Remaining is 3 and 34. This will go in 3 times. Remaining is 4 and this will go in 4 times. So remaining is 5. So 5 will be remainder. Suppose we will use one more trick in this program to reverse this number. One more important concept, that is division. You guys will think that division is a tricky concept or important concept. Yeah, it is. Suppose this number I am dividing it by 10. What we will get? 1 2 3 4.5. Correct? When I will store it in the again integer, as an integer, 0.5 will be lost. So what we will have as a number? 1 2 3 4. In the second times we will divide it in the loop. So in the loop it will go again and again. So first time it will go 1 2 3 4.5. 0.5 will be lost. The remaining number is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. In the second times it will be, when we will divide by 10, it will be 1 2 3.4 and 0.4 will be lost while we will store in as integer. 0.4 will be decimal number. In integer do not take as decimal number. The decimal point will be lost. Again we will divide by 10, then we will get 2.3. So 0.3 will be lost, as we will store in integer again this, and at last we will remain 0. So we will use it in loop. So these were two more important concepts for doing this program. Let's move to the editor and check it. Create new Java project, reverse integer. Go to src, new, not a Java project, new, create a class, say demo, write a code to take the input by user. Close the scanner, sc dot close. Now take a while loop. Suppose I am taking number, I am entering a number 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. We will run this loop till when our number is not equals to 0. So num, we will run this loop num not equals to, till the number not equals to 0. Now in this loop, first of all we will initialize reverse is to 0 and int remainder equals to 0. I have initialized two values, we need to use it. So I am going to modular, using modular operator on this number. So num modular 10, what will produce? An integer as a remainder. So that is remainder num modular 10. And in reverse, one more concept, reverse multiply by 10 plus remainder. This concept I need to explain. Let's move. So what I said, our number was what, 1 2 3 4 5. So during this moment, first time once I will apply the 5 will remaining, 5 will be as a remainder, and initially reverse will be 0. So once I will REV multiplied by 10, that is 0 multiplied by 10 plus remainder is 5. First time it is 5. So 0 plus 5 it is equals to 5. What we will get output? 5. In the second time, the loop will come, and what we will get as a remainder? We will use modular operator. When we will use modular operator, 4. So remainder num modular 10, that is 4. And this time we have REV equals to 5. So 5 multiplied by 10 plus 4, that will be 54. Let's see, the number is reversing, 5 4, that's third times. Now my number is 5 4, 5 4, RV is 5 4. In the third times we will use modular operator, then we will get remainder as 3. So 5 4 multiplied by 10, that is 540, plus 3, that 543, and so on. So I will use divide operator here. Num equals to num divide by 10. The concept I was discussing here, when I will use divide operator and we will store it to num. First time when we will divide, then we will get 1 2 3 4.5, then 0.5 will be lost when we will store as int, then 0.4, and 0.4 will lost, 0.3, and 0.3, and so on. So this is our program. Our program is complete now, and let's print the output here outside the loop. Say REV. Reverse of number is plus REV. As we use string and variable both, so string is written in double quote, and when we concatenate variable with a string, then use concatenation operator plus. So our program is complete. Now run it. Run as Java application. Enter any value. I am entering 1 2 3 4 5, and our reverse number is 5 4 3 2 1. Our program is running successfully. Go run again. This time I am running some random number. Some random number I am entering. Say 2 7. This is reverse order. This is our number. This is reverse. So our program is running successfully, and